say?
I want this recorded.
This is like an interview chair.
Found this.
What? Previous channel? What?
Camera's right there. Oh.
Camera?
I don't know if you were in it, but yeah, it's the light thing. It's awesome.
Yeah.
I know it is.
This is a good place to sleep. I'm ready. Wait, what comes next? Which way is that? Yeah, that's good. That's good.
That's not bad.
Alright, I'm just gonna film nothingness. You have to click it, by the way, Jenna. Oh, you didn't click it?
Why not to go slower?
Yeah, she's kind
And I'm gonna do a haul of everything that I can find right now. We got this transmitter for the car because we don't have an aux cord. So thank you, Haley, for the idea. Finally getting it. L'Oreal Locket weather control hairspray. Saw it on TikTok. We have to balance it in the car. This is the situation right now. But anyway, we got a lot of medication for a first aid kit. Cough drops, ibuprofen for kids, cough stuff for kids, some more medicine, and we got 2 of these. This is a chair, and then we have a tent thing. I got a 2-pack of this Bliss Sticks
Watermelon.
We're gonna try it. We're now looking for restaurants in San Jose to try.